So I've been carrying this pocket knife for a few years now. This is a Spyderco Delica 4. Very nice pocket knife, and works very well. It clips to my left pocket because I'm left-handed, and anyway, it's pretty light. Let's just see how much it is here. .3 ounces. Now, a few weeks ago, I decided to check out one of these things, and this is basically a utility blade holder, or a razor blade holder. Holds blades like this, and so the reason why I wanted to try this out is to see, can I carry a knife that I don't have to sharpen, and I can just change the blades out, and really cheap blades also. So there's a few things that when I looked up this is a Workpro swing open or something like that, I don't remember, but I got 3 of these for $18. And there's a few things that other people didn't mention on the online reviews for this thing. One is that it's not at all made for left-handers. So when it sits in your pocket, the actuator is right at the very top, and for a left-hander, you have to actually depress it with your pointer finger, which is kind of annoying. It's pretty loose to flip out, so it just takes a little practice. So, and there's no way to reverse it either. Yeah, so that was one of the things that I noticed. The other thing is, you can just hear it rattle. It's just a rattly piece of crap. I mean, it works for what it is, but man, after carrying this thing for a number of years, I mean, there's no noise. This thing is just awesome. But it also, I haven't looked at the price now, but I think what I paid for it was about $60. So anyway, let's real quick get a weight on this thing, just so you can see how much this one weighs. So it doesn't weigh that much less, 1.9 ounces. Anyway, there's just some more detail about the Workpro utility knife holder thing that other people didn't mention. Hey, you like these videos? Subscribe. I'll make more. Bye.